Manufacturing is fast, but problems, they move faster. Downtime, defects, delays, all eating into your time, your budget, your bottom line. Now imagine, you could see issues before they happen. Not guess, know. This is ALTURE, your smart assistant for production. It monitors your production line in real time, all the time, spotting what's working, flagging what's not. It sees patterns, it sends alerts, it shows you exactly where to look before things go wrong. And when something needs attention, ALTURE tells you why, where to start looking, and what to do next. Less chasing, more optimizing. Smarter decisions at every level. From clear insights for operators on the floor to strategic data for managers making decisions. ALTURE delivers the right information to the right people at the right time.